Science 21 professional learning videos. No portion of this video may be downloaded, distributed, or stored on personal or district equipment. These videos are the copyrighted property of the Science 21 program and Putnam, Northern Westchester BOCES. Lesson 6. Is a new substance formed? Lesson 6 addresses Performance Expectation 5PS1-4. Conduct an investigation to determine whether the mixing of two or more substances results in new substances. Students will use baking soda, baking powder, and/or cream of tartar that will be combined with water and with vinegar. Note that safety glasses are included in the Science 21 Unit 2 kits, and students must wear those safety goggles in this lesson, as noted in red in the management section of the lesson preparation for Lesson 6. The lesson begins by showing a phenomenon video, elephant toothpaste. Web links are provided so that teachers do not need to type in any of the URL addresses. Also in the management section of the lesson preparation, teachers are guided to set up multiple weighing stations in their classroom. Spread these around the room so that students are not bunched up waiting to use them. Teachers are also guided to set up 5 materials stations around the classroom so that students can efficiently gather materials to be used in their investigations. Videos are available on the Science 21 YouTube channel to demonstrate the investigation in advance for teachers. The Mixtures and Mass task card provides students with procedural steps, science ideas from the Disciplinary Core Ideas standards, signs that a new substance is formed, and definitions of open and closed systems. Students work in groups of 3 and collect and record data for their group. They record aggregate class data, indicating if powder A, B, or C produced a reaction when mixed with water or with vinegar, whether a new substance was formed, and whether the mass was different after the materials were mixed in a closed bag system. There are 3 questions to be answered, prompting students to describe patterns and to further engage with the science ideas. Ideally, there would not be a mass change in a closed system, but in practice, students do detect a difference in the mass after mixing any of the powders with the vinegar. This is noted in their response to question 2. This makes for good class discussion and consideration that some gas particles, which are very small, may have slipped out through the seam or seal of the plastic bag. Students should fill in the row for Lesson 6 on the Big Science Ideas chart for structure and properties of matter. We hope this lesson overview has been helpful to you. Thank you.